Want to fill your empty wall, but doesn't want to do so with big TVs? Then, here is a big surprise for you by the Samsung family. Samsung family brings an all-new ultra-short throw laser projector that places 4K pictures on your empty wall. Click on the bell icon to get the latest tech update, and join us on Tech Shouters to know more about all the new happenings on the tech world. A few days back, Samsung has declared its all-new ultra-short throw laser projector named the Premier, which supports Mega 4K picture on your wall, within an out-and-out list of space. So, now after the arrival of ultra-short throw laser projectors, you don't need to worry about anything in between you and your most preferred movies, web series, and short documentaries. That's the reason why ultra-short throw laser projectors are designed, just to give the eternal watching experience. The Premier is a member of Samsung's lifestyle product collection, where the other products including Zero, Terrace, Frame, and Seraph resides. However, undoubtedly these products are a bit expensive, but give the specs of the Premier too, which indicates that the all-new ultra-short throw projector won't come at an affordable or cheap price probably. Samsung's new laser projector the Premier comes in two variants, and that is 130-inch LSP9T and the 120-inch LSP7T. Moreover, the all-new laser printer has a high brightness of up to 2800 ANSI lumens. Plus, it also supports Samsung's smart TV stands, holds with HDR10 Plus tech, and equipped with inbuilt subwoofers and acoustic beam girdle sound. Apart from this information, Samsung hasn't shared any details regarding the price or availability yet. The single thing that we know up till now that the Premier will launch in the US, Korea, Europe, and other territories at the end of this year. LG has affirmed the name of its forthcoming smartphone, and it will be called Wing. Complete information about this smartphone will be unveiled at its launching event on 14th September. It is supposed that the device will have two screens in a swirling design as the latest teaser video revealed. Before the official launch, the latest teaser video gives a glimpse of LG's new powerful smartphone Wing. Moreover, the upcoming smartphone will support 5G connectivity and also have a triple rear camera design, including 64 megapixels for the main sensor. The new device will have Snapdragon 7 series processor. The new teaser video hinted that the device is designed in a swirl form, which seems like that the screen turns into a T shape. The upcoming smartphone will be LG's first product supporting its Explorer project. The company releases its new mobile category named as Explorer Project and said this discloses the new methodologies or approaches to interact with smartphones. In addition to this, the company claims that Wing will bring a new and diverse form and mobile experience. LG's new smartphone will be launched at the virtual event or live stream, which will be held on 14th September at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And a live stream will be on air on the official YouTube channel of LG. Apart from this, the company claims that the upcoming venture would surely give the most powerful yet fascinating mobile experience in every possible stream, including gaming, photography, and many more. Looking really forward to LG's new upcoming device Wing, because it is a great opportunity for LG to set new standards and benchmarks in the mobile device category. So, these were some of the major updates from the tech giant Apple. For more such updates, subscribe to Tech Shouters and stay tuned with us.